Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to mention someone on Facebook. So for example, you saw a post, then you remembered your friend and you want to mention him or her on that post. So you watch this video if you know how I did it. Okay? So first, you want to open your Facebook app and then make sure that your account is logged in into the app. Okay, and then after that, for example, this is the post, then you want to mention your friend, just go to comment section and then click add, then type their name, then for example this is their name, just click on that and then you can write any message that you want. Then after that, you can click this little arrow here to send your comment, and that's it. You're done, and I hope this helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.